Welcome back, guys. It's time for some phonics reading. This is new and different, so I hope you enjoy the lesson. The story that we are reading has a lot of the letter A in it. So we're going to remember every time we see that letter A. I'm going to read the story to you. Then I'm going to read it again. And then you are going to pause the video and read it on your own. So let's get started. I see a cat. The cat is fat. Dad can pat the fat cat. The fat cat can sit on my lap. Let's do that again. I see a cat. The cat is fat. Dad can pat the fat cat. The fat cat can sit on my lap. Nice. Now it's your turn. Can you pause the video and read each word? Let's try. Remember to sound out the words you don't know. Good luck. Let's carry on. The fat cat can tap. Look at the cat. Put on my hat. The cat puts on my black hat. Let's do that again. Follow the colors. The fat cat can tap. Look at the cat put on my hat. The cat puts on my black hat. Now it's your turn. Can you pause the video and read all the yellow words on your own? Good luck. Let's carry on. Can the cat look at a map? The fat cat can sit on my lap to look at the map. Let's do that again. Follow the colors. Can the cat look at a map? The fat cat can sit on my lap to look at the map. Now it's your turn. Can you pause the video and read all the words on your own? Good luck. I'm really proud of the effort you've made today, and I know that you've learned some new words. Why don't you try watching the video again, putting the sound off, and reading all the words on your own? Good luck, guys. I hope you had fun learning to read. Watch the video again to help you sound out the words. Have fun, guys.